Ever wondered what $645,000 buys you in Lower Queen Anne, Seattle? Well, wonder no more, because I'm about to show you on this week's Tuesday tour. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.75 bath, 1,302 square foot condo located just off of Elliot A West, giving it quick access to all the amenities that you could desire, and right here in the primary suite, which fits a California king. We've also got the ensuite bathroom with the dual sinks and then a nice walk-in closet. Now the first 2 doors down the hallway from the primary suite are the full bathroom, and then the spacious laundry room, which features a sink to utilize along with plenty of cupboard space above for cleaning supplies. Next, we've got the second bedroom staged as an office space. However, with its nice spacious walk-in closet, it could work fine as a bedroom for someone. As we make our way out of the bedroom, I'd like to point out the convenient wet bar you'll see as we make our way through to the kitchen and into the living room. Now this is a 1977 condo. However, there have been some updates done to this unit, such as the laminate hardwood floors throughout the main living area, which can be seen as a more durable and scratch-resistant flooring when compared to regular hardwood. While condos often get thought of as being smaller and less living space than a standalone home, this condo's 1,300 plus square feet with a spacious living room and a separate clear dining area disagree. Wrapping up this tour with a peek outside onto the patio that offers some views of Puget Sound, I'd also like to point out here the HOA. It is relatively low at $382 per month, and that covers the common area along with the water, garbage, and sewer. If anything here caught your eye, feel free to reach out and I'd be happy to give you a private showing. But until then, I'll see you next week on the podcast. Peace.
Of my world, yeah, of my world, of my world.